Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2006 Tiffin Phaeton 40QDH quad slide turbo diesel pusher motorhome. Overall exterior length is 40 feet 5 inches and the exterior height is 12 feet 7 inches. This is a one owner coach. The only reason why the owner is selling it is because they are not using it as they planned anymore, and they also had somebody in the family pass away in 2015, and ever since then it pretty much has not been used, but it's been regularly maintained every month, and it has been stored under cover. Kind of give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. The condition 1 through 10, 10 being the best, I would rate it definitely an 8. I think any dealer would agree with me. It's been extremely well maintained, and I'll try to show that off in the video. This is a quad slide coach. First slide out's a super slide. Accommodates the ultra leather sleeper sofa, hide to bed sleeper sofa. I'm going to show that off there. Excellent condition. The color is going to be a light tan color. Also in the super slide is going to be the table and chairs, and this table does pull out, and you probably have some some extra chairs somewhere probably in the closet or something. So this does seat 4 people comfortably. Show off the the fabrics here on the chair. There is absolutely 100% no wear or tear on the inside of the coach. Your day-night shades, I would replace them. There's a few of them that are kind of looking lousy, and I would replace them with the MCD roller blinds, the roller blinds that they're putting in them now. I can't imagine costing more than a couple $100 to replace them, but see, like this, yeah, they just give out. I would have replaced them if it were my coach. You do have on this coach, I do look for foggy windows on Tiffin products. Unfortunately, Tiffin had an issue with foggy windows, and there are 2 foggy windows. This window here, and they are dual pane windows, and usually when the seals break they get foggy. The other window is the driver's side window here. You can still see out the window, but it's just showing some fogginess. I do find it important to point stuff like that out. Okay, pan around to the second slide out. It's definitely going to be another super slide. Accommodates the jackknife ultra leather sleeper sofa and the kitchen. And again, fabrics, excellent condition. Show off the window treatments here. Well, I've got some good lighting. Cabinets are all going to be the best in the industry. In 2006, Tiffin definitely were the leaders in their cabinets. They make them all in-house, and definitely some of the best built in the industry still. Solid surface countertops all throughout this coach. There are no Formica or laminated tops. Beautiful backsplash. 3-burner gas cooktop. Convection oven. You do have ceramic tiles all throughout, and you do also have it in the entryway by the co-pilot seat. I'll try to show that off there to you when I'm walking out, but that may have been an option. It definitely was an option in 05, and I'm almost positive that it was in 2006. Not sure what the cubic foot is on the refrigerator, but it is gas electric by Norcold. Show off that Norcold badge there. And it's probably going to be a 10 or 12 cubic foot. Definitely one of the largest you were going to get in 2006. It does have an ice maker. Walking into the hallway, it's a split bath floor plan. You do have the one-piece shower to the right here, with skylight, and you do have seating in the shower too. One piece so you don't have any caulking seams. Nice cleaner look, glass enclosed. Closing the shower is the private commode, and you do have a private vanity. And again, solid surface countertops, foot flush porcelain toilet with sprayer, huge medicine cabinet, and fantastic vent fan. There are going to be 3 fantastic vent fans in this coach. There's another one right there, and there's one in the kitchen. Walking into the master bedroom, this is going to be the 3rd slide out. It is a queen bed that slides out, and also some closet space off to the right there. Your bed does lift up, a little bit of storage up underneath there. Rear closet, and you do have to the left of the closet there in the rear, you do have the washer and dryer prep. It's going to be your 4th slide out, and that's going to be your 2nd vanity. Again, medicine cabinet there. Lots of cabinet and dressers space, and you do have the old TVs. You can easily update these with the flat screens, pretty easy. You can get some pretty good ideas online about how to do that. That's where your combo unit washer and dryer would go. You do have ducted AC, ducted heat all throughout this coach, obviously, and you do have the dual large, low profile, 15,000 BTU AC units with heat pumps. And your furnace is going to be dual 30,000 BTU furnaces, so you have a combined heating source of 60,000 BTUs. You do have the soft touch vinyl ceiling. There's your fantastic vent fan there. And the AC unit does have a quick dump feature. You can open up these louvers, dump cold air real quick, cool it off. Once it's cooled off, close off these louvers, and you'll have ducted AC all throughout. Carpet is all still as plush as the owners the day the owners purchased it. It's extremely well maintained. I would put this up against any 2006 Phaeton all day long. Walking up into the pilot co-pilot seat area. Both pilot and co-pilot seat swivel around. Obviously the co-pilot seat has the footrest, and it is 6-way power on both seats. Excellent condition, flex steel, the ultra leather finish. They have absolutely no wear or tear on them. And there's the old TV. Easy to upgrade if you want to. Coach is sitting on a Freightliner chassis. It does have the Caterpillar C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel, and it's 350 horsepower. Let's start this engine up and show the mileage. You do have telescoping steering wheel, fully adjustable pedals. Let's put the steering wheel down. I don't know if you can see it right there. Mileage currently on this coach is 47,727 miles. Show off the gauges there. Stereo off to the right, and then off to the far right here, this is your big huge backup camera that they offered, which was a pretty big deal in 2006. They spouted about that. Here, let's turn this off. Okay, you do have your diagnostic for your Freightliner chassis here, and you do have windshield wiper easily to figure out here, and these are your controls for your chrome heated mirrors, and this is going to be a generator. I know you can't see it. Currently generator has 426 hours on it. This is going to be your spotlight. I'll show that to you outside up on top. You have a spotlight, you have a Hadley air horn, air brakes, air ride, air everything on this coach. It has all the good stuff. If you're a diesel buyer, it's got everything, even exhaust brake, which I'll show you here. Air horn, auxiliary start and stop, auxiliary start button ties your house battery and chassis battery together. These are going to be your fans. Let's show those there, right? There we go. See, they're working. And you do also have power shades here, and show that in the video. Show that they're working. Oh, yeah. Let's turn this on. Let's turn on this chassis. There we go. Okay. You get the idea. All right. You do also have an engine preheat just below the power shade button, and you do have docking lights, map light, ICC light, which is the flashers when you're getting over into another lane. You want to say, hey, thanks. You flash your lights like the truckers do. exhaust brake. This is going to be your adjustment for your pedals. Air brakes. This is going to be your air parking brake. 6-speed Allison 3000 transmission. Best transmission you're going to get. You do have 860 foot-pounds of torque on this coach, and you do have 10,000 pound tow capability. It's going to be your central command up here. Xantrax, it's got a 2000 watt inverter on this, and this is going to be your energy management system. Tells you how many amps you're pushing. This is going to be your diagnostics for your where you are on your holding tanks, basically your levels, and water heater switch, and which is a 10-gallon water heater, and these slide buttons. Easy to figure out. Give you one last look at the inside of the coach. It's gorgeous. It is. All right, speed up this video. Kind of show off some of these buttons here at the entryway. Awning buttons, light buttons, cargo buttons. You get the gist of that. And this is going to be the optional ceramic tile floor there in the entryway. I did notice, you wouldn't even notice it if I didn't point it out, but this window is getting a little foggy. But if I didn't tell you this and you didn't know about it, you wouldn't even think it was foggy. I find it very important to point stuff like that out. All right, on the outside of the coach, best paint job you're going to get. Tiffin in 2006 had state-of-the-art paint shop. I've been to it a few times, especially in 2006, and this is definitely one of the best paint jobs you're going to get on a coach. Full body paint gel coat finish. Show off that beautiful front cap with the one-piece windshield, 2006. That was a big deal. Your chrome heated side mirrors. Your 3M mask was taken off. Usually you'll have them and they look cruddy. The owners had that taken off, and it's looking just as good as it did probably the day they bought it. I did notice a little fogginess on the headlights, normal wear and tear. I'm kind of picky when I do my walk-arounds, but let's show off that paint job. Beautiful paint. And as I said, dual pane windows. That may have been part of a package. You do have the full awning package. You do have the door awning, the main awning, which is a 19-foot awning. All the awnings are in excellent condition. You do have the slide-out awning package on this. This is pretty much fully loaded with the exception of not having the combo washer and dryer. On the tires here, tires are pretty much new. They've only got just under 400 miles on them. And they were purchased right around 2015, but the manufacturing date on the fronts are the 35th week of 2014. They're matching on the fronts, and on the rears, 37th week of 2014. They look brand new. They pretty much are brand new. It's just they've got some years on them, but they've been stored inside. Coach has been stored inside, and yeah, so basically you have brand new Michelin tires. And anyway, beautiful 22.5 aluminum alcohol wheels. You do have dual fuel fills, one on each side for the fuel, which is a 100-gallon fuel cell on this. Let's open up these baggage doors and show off the condition of the doors here while I'm at it. There's really no red flags at all on this coach on the outside or inside. I'll show like a little rub mark on the back, one of the back baggage doors, but it's a non-issue. Freightliner raised rail chassis there. Insulated baggage doors. Side hinge. That was another big deal in 2006. Huge slide tray. This was an option. This is the largest slide tray you got, and it does slide out the opposite side there on the back side. Pretty cool. You have heated holding tanks on this. You got a 90-gallon freshwater tank, something like a 75-gallon gray, and I think 45-gallon black or toilet tank. Show off these rears. They're excellent condition. Kind of there. In case you want to know what the sizes are, there you go. 275 80 R 22.5s, and they are the Michelin X multis. So best tires you're going to get, by the way. There's that Phaeton badge right there. That's the only decal, and it's actually a raised decal, but everything else is all full body paint. Brand new house batteries. You have four brand new house batteries there. There's your 2,000 watt inverter right there. Beautiful paint. You do have 10,000 pound tow capability on the back, and you do have a nice mud flap there with the beautiful Phaeton badge on the back there. And again, you do have the 7.2 liter Caterpillar C7 turbo diesel engine, 860 foot-pounds of torque. Backup camera there. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on fiberglass roof, which is a big deal. Your air intake on this, by the way, is up top where you want it. Your engine runs better and cooler. Nice chrome tip there on your exhaust. .50 amp power cord there. Beautiful while the sun's shining on those 22.5 aluminum Alcoa wheels. It's just dirty. The coach has not been detailed whatsoever. This coach has pretty much everything. Whole house water filtration, outside hot and cold running water, black tank sewer flush. It's got the winter. It's got the Four Seasons insulation on this. Compartment doors are all insulated. This is the back side here. You get the idea. Let's focus more on the baggage doors, on the paint finish. Right here, well, the sun, there we go. See, a little bitty rub mark, and that can, it looks like that can be, yeah, it is. That can be taken out. Just a little buffer. Back up here. I do check for water damage, which is the delamination you get on the outside of the coach. Did not find any issues. Check for water damage on the inside. Did not find any issues. Really, the only thing really stand out to me would be the two foggy windows. The driver window right there and this window right there. All the other windows are fine. I didn't put your generator out, but you have a little pull handle in this compartment here. And your generator slides out the front here about 3 foot, and it's a 7.5 Onan turbo diesel generator. Beautiful one-piece windshield. That was a big deal. There's your Hadley horn up top there to the right, and there's your spotlight in the center. You do have in-motion satellite on this coach. It's got a lot of stuff. Tiffin Phaeton's most popular diesel pusher in the United States in '06. Definitely, you couldn't keep these on the lots. The dealers were selling them left and right. They couldn't. There were a lot of them were pretty much order outs because they didn't have them on their lot. I know because I worked at a Tiffin dealer at that time. Beautiful coach. If you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner, or you can call 502-645-3124. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can also follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.